In today's video, I'm gonna show you how you can toggle sprint in just a few seconds in your Minecraft game. So this process is very easy. As you probably know, to sprint you need to press W twice, or you can also press Ctrl, but it's kinda annoying sometimes because maybe you want to sprint for a long time, or if you hit against a block, it will stop sprinting. So I'm gonna show you how you can toggle the sprint. So you press Ctrl once, and it will keep sprinting forever until you press it again. And it doesn't matter if you hit against a block or whatever happens, it will still keep sprinting. So to change this, you need to open the menu, then go to Options, Controls, and you will see Sprint, which is set in as hold by default. Let's click here, and now it's toggle. So if I press Control once, and now I will keep sprinting. Let's go to this block right here. It doesn't matter, I will still sprint, okay? It doesn't stop sprinting. I just pressed Ctrl once and it sprints forever. So in my opinion, this is much more comfortable and you should give it a try, or you can disable it whenever you want with the same process. So I hope it was helpful and thanks for watching.